Honorable Anil Desai
Yes, sir. I'm in Lok Sabha chambers. Anil.
from Lok Sabha.
Lok Sabha chambers, I'm there.
Please.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. And at the outset, I will congratulate you for the second innings as a Deputy Chairman.
Thank you.
Sir, Honorable Civil Aviation Minister has brought this aircraft amendment bill which will amend the Aircraft Act 1934 by enhancing the maximum fine limit on regulatory and other lapses found in the aircraft operations. This said legislation will enhance the maximum limit of fine from 10 lakhs to rupees 1 crore. The bill also enlarges the scope of the existing act to include regulation of all areas of air navigation. The bill will enable the three regulatory bodies in the Indian civil aviation sector, namely Directorate of General of Civil Aviation, Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, and Aircraft Accident Investigating Bureau, to become statutory authorities. But the overall superintendence of the same will be under the central government. I'm requesting, Honorable Minister, to reconsider this provision as it will affect very badly when you are taking a reform. These measures will enhance the level of safety and security of the aircraft operations in the country. These amendments will also fulfill the requirements of the International Civil Aviation Organization that has not been rating India very highly on air safety benchmark for quite some time. A survey by the International Civil Aviation Organization had found that India's aviation safety score was very low. But I think these amendments which will improve the standard and it will be on level with the international benchmarks. In the past, there were many incidents that had exposed the poor safety standards and procedures in India's aviation sector. These incidents caused health problems, discomfort, anxiety, tension for the passengers. There have also been cases of near collision, wrong landing, tire burst, and other scary happenings in the many parts of the country. By bringing these amendments to the Aircraft Act 1934, the Civil Aviation Ministry has taken much needed steps that will ensure the best implementation of the safety standards. At the same time, lapses and violations of norms will be dealt with stern actions. I'm sure this piece of legislation will take Indian aviation sector to the next level. Lastly, with deep concerns, I would urge the government not to sell Air India, which is the national carrier and pride of ours, and also revive the Jet Airways at the earliest and save the lives of thousands of its employees. Thank you, sir. With this, I support the bill.
Thank you, Honorable Anil Desai ji. Now, Honorable Sri